In vibrant Ibiza, where the sun caresses the waves and the breeze carries echoes of music and laughter, a captivating question arises: is it possible to live on this island for a week with just 1,000 euros? Today, as expert connoisseurs of Ibiza, we dive into this challenge, unfolding the nuances of its costs and unveiling the secrets for a memorable stay without exceeding the budget. Ibiza, with its mystical aura and dreamy beaches, is more than just a postcard of partying and revelry. Beyond the curtain of nightlife lies a mosaic of accessible experiences that invite explorers of all ages. The key lies in planning and local wisdom. Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel, Ibiza Best Places to Stay in Summer, the channel that guides you through the secrets of Ibiza. Today in our tutorial, we will address the following topic. Is it possible to live on this island for a week with just 1,000 euros? We begin our journey with accommodation, one of the cornerstones of the budget. Opting for cozy hotels or shared apartments can significantly reduce this expense, leaving more room to immerse yourself in Ibiza's cultural and natural richness. Options abound, from tranquil retreats in Santa Eulalia to vibrant hostels in San Antonio, each with its own charm and price range. Ibichenko cuisine, a feast for the senses, offers everything from affordable bites at local markets to exquisite dishes on terraces overlooking the sea. A well-kept secret is the menu of the day in small taverns, where authenticity and flavor come together at friendly prices. Transportation, although it can be a challenge, turns into an advantage with biker rentals or the clever use of public transport, revealing every corner of Ibiza without straining the wallet. The island invites you to be discovered at a leisurely pace, where every hidden cove and every sunset becomes a priceless treasure. So is it an impossible mission? Far from it. Ibiza, with its welcoming spirit and diversity, opens its arms to everyone, proving that true luxury lies in the experiences lived and not in the amount spent. This is the real Ibiza, an island where magic knows no budgets and where each visit is woven with unforgettable memories. So, dear traveler, I invite you to immerse yourself in the essence of Ibiza, to discover that with 1,000 euros and an adventurous spirit, the island promises dreamy days. Exploring Ibiza on a budget of 1,000 euros may seem challenging, but with planning and some local tips, it's possible to fully enjoy this paradisiacal island without spending a fortune. Here, I offer you a series of strategies to make your money go further. Economical accommodation. Consider staying in hostels, shared apartments, or camping in permitted areas. Many offer comfortable and affordable options that will allow you to save significantly. Smart dining. Take advantage of local markets to buy fresh products and prepare your own meals. Look for restaurants outside the main tourist areas where prices are usually lower and the food just as delicious. Public transport and bicycles. Use the island's public transport to get around or consider renting a bicycle. It's economical and gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Free or low-cost activities. Ibiza is full of beautiful beaches with free access. Enjoy a day of sun and sea at no cost. Additionally, many towns offer free cultural festivals and events, especially in the summer. Nightlife with sense. Nightlife in Ibiza can be expensive, but you can enjoy the atmosphere without spending a lot. Prefer bars and clubs with free or low entry, and avoid costly drinks. Supermarket drink purchases. If you plan to enjoy some drinks, buy them at supermarkets or local stores and enjoy with friends on the beach or at your accommodation before going out. Discounts and promotions. Keep an eye out for offers on club entries or activities. Often, buying online in advance can result in significant savings. Avoid the high season. If possible, visit Ibiza in the mid or low season, when accommodation and activity prices tend to be lower. Explore on foot. Many of Ibiza's beauties can be enjoyed simply by walking. Discover hidden coves, breathtaking views, and magical corners without spending on transport. Planning and budgeting. Before your trip, plan your days and set a daily budget. This will help you keep control of your expenses and avoid unpleasant surprises. By following these tips, you'll find that Ibiza offers much more than parties and luxury, and that it's possible to enjoy its Mediterranean essence, rich culture, and stunning landscapes on a tight budget. Finding accommodations in Ibiza for less than 1,000 euros a week is entirely possible, and here we'll show you how. The key is to search in advance, be flexible with dates, and consider different types of accommodation. Hostels and guest houses. Ibiza has a variety of hostels and guest houses offering affordable prices, especially if you don't mind sharing a room. These options are ideal for solo travelers or groups of friends. Rental apartments. Platforms like Airbnb and similar offer apartments that you can rent for less than 1,000 euros a week. Renting an apartment gives you the freedom to cook your own meals, which can help you save on food. Economical hotels. There are 2- and 3-star hotels in Ibiza that offer competitive rates, especially if you book in advance or look for special offers. Outside of peak season, consider traveling outside the summer months, July and August, when accommodation prices tend to be higher. May, June, and September usually offer good weather and lower prices. Longer stays. Some accommodations offer discounts for longer stays, so asking for weekly rates can result in significant savings. Camping. If you're adventurous, camping can be an economical option. Ibiza boasts several well-equipped campsites that offer a unique experience at reasonable prices. Home exchange. Home exchange platforms allow you to stay for free in exchange for letting someone stay at your place. It's an interesting option for longer stays. Groups and packages. Traveling in a group can reduce costs per person, especially if you rent a large villa or apartment. Some travel agencies also offer packages that include accommodation and flight at reduced prices. Less touristy areas. Consider staying in less popular areas of the island. Prices tend to be lower, and you'll enjoy a more authentic experience. Last-minute bookings. Although it carries a risk, sometimes you can find great last-minute deals. Accommodations prefer to offer discounts rather than have empty rooms. On this channel, Ibiza Best Places to Stay in Summer, we do our best to give you the best information and help you plan your trip to Ibiza at the best price. If you're enjoying this video, please support us with a like. It motivates us greatly and helps us continue creating tutorials like this one. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to enjoy the beauty of Ibiza. By exploring these options, you can enjoy all that Ibiza has to offer without exceeding your 1,000 euro accommodation budget. With planning and flexibility, your stay in Ibiza can be both memorable and affordable. Exploring the cuisine of Ibiza on a 1,000 euro budget can be a rewarding and delicious experience if you know how and where to spend your money. Ibiza is known not only for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife, but also for its rich culinary offerings ranging from traditional Ibizan cuisine to international options. Here are some tips to enjoy the flavors of Ibiza without breaking your budget. Local markets. Start your culinary adventure at local markets, such as the Old Market, Mercat Vel, or the New Market, Mercat No, where you can find fresh and typical island products at affordable prices. It's an excellent opportunity to try local bites like Ibizan sobrasada or goat cheese. Menu of the day. Many restaurants in Ibiza offer the menu of the day, a cost-effective option that typically includes a starter, a main course, a dessert, and a drink. This is a fantastic way to enjoy a full meal at a fixed and reasonable price. Cooking at home. If you're staying in a place with a kitchen, take the opportunity to prepare some of your meals. Visit local markets to buy fresh ingredients and enjoy cooking simple dishes. This will not only save you money, but also allow you to experiment with local cuisine. Outdoor meals. Ibiza is home to beautiful landscapes, so why not enjoy a picnic on the beach or in the countryside? Purchase some snacks, fruits, and perhaps some Iberian ham and cheese from a local store, and enjoy a relaxing meal outdoors. Tapas and pinsos. Embrace the culture of tapas and pinsos to taste a variety of flavors without spending a lot. Some bars offer free tapas with each drink, allowing you to try different dishes without overspending. Street food and markets. Markets and street food stalls are ideal for tasting authentic flavors at low prices. Look for local events or night markets where vendors offer everything from traditional snacks to international cuisine. Avoid tourist areas. Restaurants and bars located in major tourist areas tend to have higher prices. Explore lesser-known areas to discover hidden gems, offering delicious meals at lower prices. Happy hours and special offers. Keep an eye out for happy hours and special deals in bars and restaurants. Often you can find significant discounts on drinks and meals at certain times of the day. Sharing dishes. If you're traveling in a group, consider sharing dishes. This will allow you to try a wider variety of foods without spending too much. Research and plan. Before your trip, research and make a list of recommended restaurants that fit your budget. Reading reviews and advice from other travelers can help you identify the best deals. To determine if 1,000 euros are sufficient for a week in Ibiza, it's crucial to consider various aspects of the trip, including accommodation, food, transportation, and leisure activities. Based on available information and considering the average costs in Ibiza. Accommodation. Depending on the time of year and the type of lodging, prices can vary significantly. Choosing hostels, Airbnb, or budget hotels can reduce this part of the budget. If economical options are selected, one could spend approximately 50–70 euros per night. Food. Eating in restaurants can be expensive, especially in tourist areas. However, alternatives such as daily menus, street food, or even cooking at the accommodation, if possible, can help save money. A daily food expense of 30–50 euros could be estimated if economical options are chosen. Transportation. Public transport such as buses and renting bicycles or scooters are economical options for getting around the island. A daily transportation expense of about 10–15 euros could be estimated. Activities and leisure. Activities can vary widely in price, from free beaches to nightclub entry fees or tours that can be quite costly. By booking activities in advance and looking for free or low-cost options, this expense could be adjusted to about 20–30 euros per day. In summary, with careful budgeting and choosing economical options, 1,000 euros could be sufficient for a week in Ibiza, covering basic expenses for accommodation, food, transportation, and some activities. However, this budget doesn't leave much room for luxuries or unforeseen expenses and could be tight if you wish to enjoy Ibiza's nightlife or gastronomic experiences at higher-end restaurants. For a comfortable trip without budget worries, it would be advisable to have a bit more financial leeway or look for additional ways to save costs during your stay in Ibiza. I hope this video has been of great help to you. We also hope this video helps you define and clarify your budget if you're planning to travel to Ibiza. If you have any questions or doubts, you can leave us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the news about this season in Ibiza. See you in the next video.
Oh,